Find features that distinguish it from other brands for MobiBot 4-in-1 dual-cylinder tire inflator with jump starter. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because it consists of the following features. High-performance car jump starter. Powerful and safe. With boosted 4000 amp cranking current. The car battery jump starter battery pack can instantly restart your 12-volt vehicles, specially for up to 8.0 L gas/6.0 L diesel, even at -4 to about 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Support more than 1000 plus recharge cycles. Dual-cylinder tire inflator. Smart preset and auto shut off without repeated adjustment and check. The compact car tire inflator portable air compressor with high-performance motor can pump up a standard car tire from 0 psi to 36 psi within 6 minutes, 3 different nozzles for inflating cars, bikes, balls and more. Large LCD display to read real-time data, 3 optional unit switching and detachable extended air hose for ease of use. 20,000 mAh battery and DC 12-volt power. This portable tire inflator supports dual power methods. 1. Built-in larger capacity 20,000 mAh lithium-ion battery, allows it to inflate up to 6 car tires on a single charge. 2. It comes with a cigarette lighter cord, you could connect it to the car charger for emergency, never worry about running out of batter on the go. Faster charging and recharging. Powerful 65-watt PD and QC 3.0 output inflator boasts. The excellent performance also applies to charging electronics as a portable charger. This jumper starter also serves as a portable power bank, capable of charging phones, tablets, and other electronic devices. 3. Modes of LED light. The jump pack comes with an LED flashlight to help in the dark or in an emergency and supports 3 variable light modes: lighting, strobe, and SOS. It will be a great friend for camping, outdoors, emergencies and traveling. Smart safety protections. High quality material and smart clamp, make sure the great quality and safety. Our protections include spark-proof, overcharge, reverse charger, short circuit, overcurrent, temperature protection and more. All you need to do is check the indicator lights and beeps of the car jumper smart clamp to detect errors. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.